guys, Brad here to show you some cool tips this week. And what we're going to work on is our right hand technique, the rhythm pick pattern. And it's basically a pattern and a workout to help your right hand get better at speed and tone and control. Okay, last week we did the RPP pattern using alternating strokes, and this week we're going to use the alternating pattern in conjunction with all downstrokes. So we'll do 6-4-3-2, 5-4-3-2, and 4-3-2-1 using all downstrokes. Let's start with the G pattern, all downstrokes. Now let's do it with the C pattern, 5-4-3-2, same idea. Here we go. Alternating strokes, downstrokes. Now let's do the D pattern. We're going to start with alternating strokes and then go to downstrokes. 4-3-2-1. Here we go. Downstrokes, alternating strokes. Now let's combine all three patterns. We're going to start with the alternating pattern on G and then go to C and D. We'll do 4 times through each, 2 alternating patterns, 2 downstroke patterns. Starting with the G, here we go. All downstrokes, C pattern, downstrokes, and the D pattern, and downstrokes. In summary, the RPP pattern is going to give you the tone control and everything you need to get in the groove. That's what's really important. So dig in your vault, find a tune that you really love to play, and that way your left hand is not having to concentrate on something really tough, and that way your RPP pattern can be implemented on that song, and you'll have an awesome time playing something you already know, getting better and better every day. I'll see you next week. I'll be here. Hope you will too. Okay. Thanks. All right. Thanks.
The magic, the mystery, the chemistry, and faith that push us right off the edge from way high above. Everybody says we're acting crazy, and nothing they say could ever